We are FRS Roofing plus Gutters, the ones you can trust with roof repair and maintenance in Winchester, Massachusetts, where quality meets excellence in roofing solutions. We understand the importance of maintaining your roof in Winchester's humid subtropical climate. With a rich history dating back to the early colonial period, Winchester deserves the best in roof repair and maintenance. Our team specializes in preserving the historical integrity of Winchester's buildings through expert roofing services. Whether you need a leak repaired or your roof insured in top condition, we've got you covered. Winchester's long history of agriculture and fishing underscores the need for reliable roof maintenance. From the town's large apple orchards to its bustling fishing industry, we honor Winchester's heritage. We prioritize the protection and longevity of your Winchester home. Trust the roof repair and maintenance experts in Winchester, Massachusetts, to keep your home safe and secure. Winchester's coastal location has made it susceptible to weather-related roof damage over the years. Let us handle all your roofing needs so you can focus on enjoying Winchester's charm and history. Count on our team for professional, reliable service in Winchester and beyond. Contact us today at 781-322-6252 to schedule a consultation, or visit our website at frsroof.com/roof-replacement/Winchester. Enhance your Winchester home's curb appeal and durability with FRS Roofing plus Gutters.